Hi, this is Ravinder. I am founder of Tecnod8.ai. We are a generative AI startup aiming to make industrial engineering and automation as easy as DIY. For this, we are creating a co-pilot application which will help engineers to do their jobs 10x faster with practically 100x more context. The last 6 months has been crazy for us. We started as a full stack co-pilot horizontally. Over the 6th month, we decided to focus on one vertical, which is the programming part, where GenAI can scale at large. And this has given us access to multiple customers across the world. GenAI Foundry has been super exciting. We are part of the Cohort-2. The Foundry program has been quite proactive in itself. The team has been giving us access to market, to customers, certain partnership, collaborations. So it has been quite a proactive support from the GenAI team. Over the next 1 year, we want to quickly make the product enterprise grade, start deployment, complete the deployment with our existing customers, and then go global. We are getting very good interest from the markets from Europe as well as from America. So the plan is to go global over the next 1 year. The best part about GenAI Foundry is the proactive support from the team. They connect you with the market, they connect you with the customers, collaborations, and for that matter, even building the technology itself. So definitely it's a huge scope for anybody building in the GenAI space in India.